Yeah, so you know.
You want that? You want one half of Marco?
Huh?
You want half of it?
No, I'm okay. I think Lake wants another half of it though.
Yeah, you can have the half. Still global.
That's so sad. How sad is that?
All right, let's see if anyone holds more than 4 books.
I'll be surprised if y'all get 5 or 6.
Yeah, it's almost to clean up.
You want to keep it? What's that? Oh. You can have it. It's your house.
It's my house.
Yeah, you can leave it.
The piece of the bridge. How lonely.
We're recording?
Yep.
All right, we got 2.
How do you ban from that?
Dang, that was wobbly. It's just wobbly.
I don't think it's gonna be more than 4.
You don't think, for real? I think it is.
All right.
You got a dough bag it or what?
The
They
handle
break.
on this
The
one.
bag
already
break
got.
before that.
Oh, it ripped.
Yeah, that one's ripped in 2.
I feel like big.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
That's where I meant to put it. Yeah, yeah.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Little bag. We're gonna leave.
It's got
Damn.
the winner so far.
The thing is,
Now it's just a matter of how much shame the rest of you should feel. And it's still holding up, even though Lake's like super slow with his book bagging over here.
yes. It's holding up so far. 6 books.
8 or 10.
We obviously won already. That's official.
8.
Uh-oh.
Made sounds.
Go for 10.
You can't. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where's the important one? Where's the important one?
We're seeing history in the making. I don't know, any thoughts so far on how your bridge will do? You think you can hold these 2?
Yes.
Yes, Rosie?
And while we're recording, does anyone want to comment on all the smack talk that Marco had about his amazing bridge that died, a long time ago?
Hey, we.
Oh,
Might as well, yep. Yep. It's only right. You gotta do one at a time or what?
Yeah, the bag's kind of slick, so it wants to slide off.
You gotta find that sweet spot, like. You can't do it long ways because it'll just balance it out.
And if y'all can start handing me textbooks, I'll just balance it.
That's crazy. Like, we got a new record. There's still one more pre-cal. You could add that last pre-cal book.
Oh yeah, it's still a cool pickup.
Holy fuck.
He didn't want to do this because the other bridges were too strong, and then look at them.
Damn, Lake. Holy fuck.
Oh.
I hear a lot of bending. A lot of crack schnack.
It's all gonna fall though when it breaks.
Hey, Lake, just drop them right away, okay? So you don't get hurt.
It's making noises, but
It's like pop
we can
rock.
put more on.
Get ready.
Oh, it's going.
It didn't break!
Did it? It didn't break?
No, it didn't even make a dent in it.
How many books was that?
He just slipped. I'm not karate chopping this shit.
Let's get the official book count on that.
How you doing, Miss Lot? Any thoughts on what we're doing?
What are you doing?
We are breaking spaghetti
And
bridges.
they just flipped though.
They are definitely by far and away the champion. We've got to count how many books this is.
Dude, you should have seen Julio's in their book. Julio's in their bridges. They build like.
Are these better than the...
Alright, we're
You gotta
recording.
put the outro music though.
Oh, I'll play the outro music. So 18 books.
Damn, it's like
Damn.
Were those good?
4.5 times the start.
Our winners are Rose and Anna. Any thoughts, Anna and Rosie, on how y'all did?
Hey, like I'm
I
still
knew
karate
I was
chop
gonna
this.
win.
You knew who was gonna win? You, Rosie? Who would you say did most of the work?
Seriously, sick.
Don't lie.
Her, but I did breaking and stuff. I was breaking them, passing them to her. I
So
went
so
to-
so you built the bridge.
Yeah.
So you won. So therefore you didn't win. She won. You just tagged along.
Shut up. Yours broke so
Still
fast.
talking smack. You got
Yeah.
18 books
Hey.
versus 18.
I will always talk smack no matter what. Win or lose, I'm gonna keep talking smack.
I was gonna do something, but I'm on camera, so I can't.
Do the figure.
Still got a karate chop. I feel like this is gonna hurt my hand a lot.
That's gonna hurt a lot.
Alright.
Ah, shit.
Ah, shit, that hurt. That didn't even break. Alright, go at it again.
Do it the
Oh,
other way.
Do it the other way. Do it the other way now. Do it the other way now. So like it'll break. Yeah, there you go.
Alright, that's gonna hurt a lot more.
It might
Do
not.
do the other hand. Do the other hand.
He's not that hand though. So.
Alright. Yeah! Ow.
Edgar.
Kinda.
He wanted to break
I
it.
don't wanna break it.
Come on, Jaden. Karate chop one time, Jaden.
Karate chop one time.
Come on, Jaden. You just sat there, Jaden. Let me see one time. One little chop.
Kid.
Come on, Oscar.
Edgar.
Give it one
Oscar,
chop.
come on.
We all gotta chop it.
Yeah, y'all gotta chop. Come on. I'm not gonna make the noise.
Okay. Yeah, okay,
All
just
right,
chop it.
someone has to make the sound for it.
Yeah.
Alright, Marco, make the sound.
This in
Get closer.
the Kung Fu movies, that's sound later.
All right, ready?
So,
Go.
God damn, that hurt great.
No. He's gonna do it. Come on, Jaden.
Oh. here we go.
Nah, I know he's gonna do.
I was just gonna hit him on my leg, just gonna go like that.
No, I was gonna kick it.
Hell, that's gonna fly.
You're just trying to throw it all on Edgar. Right?
Yeah.
He's like right there. He's already.
It's only being held up by glue.
Yeah.
I mean, Jaden, I'm right here.
It's just glue at this point. Nunchucks.
Should I kick it?
Over there. Not right here.
It broke. And the end.
Well, you can still cry.
Bye bye, guys.